Good morning, y'all. Right now, I'm gonna edit yesterday's vlog, and then after that, I'm going with Kira to my parents' house, and we're gonna meet Micha there because he just left to go work for a few hours. Today, he has a quick shift thing. So we're gonna go there because Kira got her new leash in the mail, and I usually ship things there because they have a house. This is an apartment, and yeah, I don't know how things go here, so I usually just ship it there and then I go take it whenever. So yeah, the leash is from Z-Dog. It's like a hands-free leash. She has her Lisa Simpson leash. She has from the same brand. So this is like just a hands-free leash that I've been eyeing for a long time. So I finally got it. Yeah, I think it's very cute. And it's very useful. I like that it's very useful, and also it's very stylish, which I also like, you know. And this brand does this exact thing, I feel like. So yeah, I got this. You'll see. I'll show you when I get there. But yeah, Kirina is... And okay, I also want to show you. I have this PewDiePie, like, I don't know, it's a cloth to clean glasses and stuff. Yeah. It's dope. Yeah, so now I'm gonna edit and then we're gonna go on a walk to my parents' house. Yeah, that's it. Okay, before I go, I need to show you my outfit. It's very trendy. I stole the color palette from Micha. The blue and brown. He did it by accident and I was like, that's very trendy. So yeah, now I stole it. Okay, let's go. Okay, we got the leash, but I'm not 100% sure about it. It's very pink. I thought it was gonna be like orange neon thing, but it's very pink. So we'll see. Maybe I just have to get used to it. I didn't think it was that pink on the picture when I got it. But yeah, still very cute. Very happy. Okay, and now I'm gonna water the garden. Ne, beži. Wow. Patty. Patty. Yeah. Okay, we're back home. I'm gonna continue with editing yesterday's vlog. Yeah. Also, the leash, it's nice. I like the style of it, but it's a bit too much pink. I'm still not like 100% sure, but maybe it's gonna wear out and stuff. It's not gonna be the super bright color that it is right now. So hopefully it'll be better. Maybe it has to grow on me a little. But experience with the leash was nice. Kira, I don't think Kira is that excited about the leash. Maybe I'm more excited, but it's fine. It's a good leash. This is where we have leash. I really like this style here. It's like this ombre effect. And I like that these are like orange. And this is also orange. I also like that this is like this rose gold. I made a smoothie. And then this one has like protein powder in it. Have to clean after, but it's very good. Okay, it is 21:21. It is 9:20 p.m. and yeah, I want to explain what happened today. We had lunch. Oh yeah, I did edit the video, posted the video. Then we had lunch. After lunch, we went to the like mall area. Yeah, we got Miha his tennis shoes. Wait, I can show you. These are the tennis shoes. He got some tennis shoes, then we went to the pet store and we got like these little dry fish things for Kira. She really likes them. We got them once before, like you get a whole pack of these and it's just like one, I don't know, medium-sized fish that's like, I think dried, like freeze-dried something. And yeah, she got them earlier and she was very excited. Okay, these are the dried fish that I was saying. They're kind of weird, but they are medium-sized. Well, she likes them a lot. She wants more, but she can't have more right now, yeah. Then, after that, we went to Ikea, and I'm gonna include the Ikea footage here. So.
А ты это сзади, да? Может, когда я могу праскать, малыш? Ну.
Nie się podleje. Ich.
Ja sam aici full dragă. Hai să nu le ciune. Araba za palacinko.
Ty si palacinko. Ta.
Ja. A mera mi-a fi fatto che tu ciubla. Vedendo anche piacere, puoi guardare.
A? No.
Ty są dobre.
Jaka ma to fake trawa.
Co tu? Tam fake trawę, nie?
Jest dobre. Te dreweščke.
To wygląda za krążnika.
Okay.
Gospa Irena Zdrnovšek, prosim, da se zglasite pred blagajnami. Hvala.
Pregledala. Sem bil manjši, se mi zdi.
Tak 30 evrov.
Ojej.
Zdaj so vse na žalost podala.
Wow.
To je nalivano.
Pa to tudi, da ne vzameš on. Ne, to lahko vzameš.
To je nalivano.
A ja sem se spraskana, vidiš, da jih ne bi hotel imeti.
Sem to pa stupid. Indeks so fucking 25 centov. Oh my god.
Eno. Da jih... Zdaj si kitkan.
Hadi. Već.
A vidiš, kad spremenja barve.
Mogoče bo čez nekaj cajt. Ja. Kurczę, chyba taka obucia. Aha, to ja sem zarządzila. No, bo chyba tudi še pojavno. Uporabi samo posredno orodje in napotite enostavneje.
Okay. Ti to bože. Si to probal?
Teliga. Taj je dobro.
To sem ti dala za uha.
Aj dobro.
Oh, pyszna, nie?
Kiś.
O. dat is het. Oké.
Naar die ziekte trouwens.
Смотрите. Чекай.
Ja. Удобен? Ні, не.
Ik vind niet dat hij voelt.
Nee. Oh my god.
Секунд.
Це задрифтово.
So in Ikea we bought this like cake pan because we don't have any pan for a cake, like a round pan to make a cake. So yeah, the last time we made it in a square pan. So yeah, but we got the round pan now. And we got one of like these shelves. It's almost like this one, just in white. I think we're gonna put it in the kitchen, and then on top like this plant that would then, like if there up there was a plant, then the plant would like grow down. Hopefully, yeah, it's that sort of a plant that like grows, you know, if you put it up, it grows down, I guess. Yeah, that's what we got. And after we got home from Ikea, we went on a walk with Kira. I'm gonna include the footage here.
Nästa jag tycker.
Before I go, I want to show you the leash. I ordered this leash online. Honestly, it has grown on me a little bit. I like this pattern here, and I like that it's like orange. Also this part, gets off. So you can like clip them around like a, I don't know, if your dog needs to wait somewhere. This goes, it can go like crossbody, it can go like on your waist. This is the part that like you regulate how long you want the leash and how long you want, if it's like a crossbody, longer waist, maybe shorter. And then this, when you have a crossbody, you can tighten this up just so it fits better. Yeah, it's a very nice leash. We tried it with Kira. Today she didn't do that well. I feel like she was very, I don't know, today she just wasn't in the mood, I feel like. But I really like the leash. Would recommend. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Hope you enjoyed. Have fun. Okay, bye. And yeah, before I end today, I'm gonna edit a few Instagram stories, I guess. You can see. Yeah, that's it. Bye.